Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Ashish Sunil Gain. I am from Civil Engineering Department, GL Polytechnic, Nare. We are here to discuss about our topic recycling practices of construction waste. Our group members are here: Ashish Sunil Gain, Pragati Uttareshwar Railway, Himanshu Subhash Jadhav, Aniket Mahipat Malusare, Sahil Sanjay Kabile. Our guidance name is Professor Majid Sheikh sir and our subject teacher Ajinkya Bagade sir. Recycling. What is recycling? Recycling is a term used to describe a series of activities that include the collecting the recyclable materials that would otherwise be considered waste. Introduction. Construction waste. Unwanted materials generated during the construction process, for the example, demolished concrete fragments, bricks, pieces, wood, the plastic waste, etc. Reuse. The process of using material again for the same of a different function, for the example, using the coarse aggregate obtained from the concrete waste for the preparation of fresh concrete. Recycling. The process of converting waste material into the new ones for the reduce of waste of potential useful materials. Why concrete? It is a democratic material. It is low cost compared to the steel and aluminum. Availability of raw materials, limestone and aggregates are naturally available. Versatility, adequate engineering properties. When the structure made of concrete, the demolished or the renovated concrete, recycling is a increasingly common method of utilize. The rubble concrete was once routinely trucked on the landfill for disposal, but recycling has a number of benefits that have made it a more attractive option in this age of the greater environmental awareness, more environmental laws, and the desire to keep construction costs down. Concrete aggregate collected from the demolition site is put through a crushing machine. Crushing facilities accepting only uncommented concrete, which must be free. Threshed wood, papers, and others such as material metals such as the rubber are accepted. Science they can be removed with the management and the other sorting device and the metal downs. For the recycling elevators, the remaining aggregate chunks are sorted by size of large chunks may be through a crusher again after the crushing has taken place. Other particulate the filterate out through a varieties of methods including hand picking and water flotation. Use of recycling concrete. Smaller pieces concrete are used as a gravel for new construction projects. Sub-base gravel is laid down as the lowest layer in the road, with the fresh concrete as asphalt poured over the used. Federal highway administrative may be techniques such as this build new highways from the material old highways crushed. Recycling the concrete can also be used the dry aggregate for the brand new concrete if it is free of contaminants. Also, concrete pavements can be broken in place and used at base layer for the asphalt pavement through a process called as rubberization. Larger pieces of the crushed concrete can be used as a repair remains, and which are a very effective and popular method controlling stream back erosion with proper quality control, as the crushing facility will be graded and aesthetically pleasing materials can be provided as a substitute for the landscaping stone or mulch. Wire gabions cages can be filled with the crushed concrete and the stack together to provide the economical retaining walls. Stack and gabions are also used to build a privacy screen will be in line of fencing. Wire gabions cages. Gabion facade. Strength and durability of recycling aggregates. necessity of reusing and the recycling of construction waste. Disposal has also emerged as a problem in India. India is presently generating the construction and demolition waste to the ton of the 23.75 million tons. Yet no disposal method is being the particulated is 17% of the industry because of the easy availability of the raw materials. Due to unlimited use of aggregate, the execution of the naturally occurring materials will soon take place. Due to the the application of the reusing and recycling of waste materials is favorited. Demolished concrete. Sometimes the concrete material has to be demolished during the ongoing on old construction. The concrete obtained from this process is called as demolished concrete. It is a very common types of waste generated during the pile foundation, precasting, ityadi, etc. Process of rushing and demolished concrete. Collection of the concrete, collection of the construction scraps from the site, classify the according to their properties, send them to the separation and treatment plant, differentiating the components. Example, aggregate, treating them, they finally reusing them, constructing fresh concrete. Procedure of recycling: breaking up to removing the old concrete, crushing in the primary and the secondary crusher, removing the reinforced steel and embedded items, finally stacking and the reparation of the coarse and fine aggregates. Technology received the aggregate refined method. Application of recycling concrete in Japan. Old office building 7 stories, concrete length 10 ton, wholly quantity 18 tons. To taken the corporation, new office building 38 stories, received coarse aggregate 3 and received concrete volume 5 USBF and 1F slab. Process of recycling demolished concrete. There are mainly process for the recycling. However, the common process adopted is the collection of the waste from the site, transporting to the recycle unit, in initial crushing and sieving, final crushing and the grinding of forwarding into the construction unit. Disadvantages and advantages. Advantages of using recycling concrete aggregates are conserve demolishing the natural aggregate resource, use of construction waste, protection to environment, economical, to create additional business opportunities, avoid the excess landfilling. Benefits. Benefits of the durable in RC structure: economics benefit, saving on the maintenance expenditures. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.